Hey y'all, this Rose is back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified when I drop some video. So today, you guys, we got mail from Amazon. Mail from Amazon, you guys. You see the 2 packages. I'm still waiting on one more. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that bell to be notified every time I drop some video. So let's get into this video. This is an unboxing video, you guys. It just arrived at my door. So let's see what it is. I already know what it is. Y'all don't know what it is. But we about to see what it is. I had asked Donovan to hold the camera. Of course, he don't want to do shit. I'm about to slide them. Y'all want them? So these are what I got from Amazon. I love these books. Oh my God, you guys. I love this book by this author, Kiki Swanson. I ordered me 3 books because she got series. This is the Amazon it came out of, the package. She got series of books, so of course I'm gonna order some more. So I was like, why keep ordering them at the library and they charge a fee when you don't bring them back on time? So I might as well just buy the books on Amazon. See, they got it on Amazon. I said Amazon got everything. So it's called Wifey. That's the first book. So y'all need to understand this book before y'all understand these 2 books. And yeah, so this Wifey. I love reading books. So I was like, I finally go get my own books. So yeah. So this what your girl got. This is a classic. I don't know if y'all ever read these books or whatever. But yeah, I be acting like I'm every character in a book. I know everybody else do that. I don't know if everybody else do that or not. But I know I do that. But this book right here, this first book, oh my God, go hard. Like I said, it was $15 for this book because this is a paper book. This all they had. And then I paid $6.99 a piece for these 2. But yeah, these books, I love these books. I read them. I read them all the time. I read them about at least 1,000 times. So yeah, so I had to order my own personal book, and this one is called Life After Wifey. It's by the same author, Kiki Swanson. And then this one is called Still Wifey Material. You know, she got another book. And I want to get some more. So they were cheap. The first book was $15, and then the other 2 they was like $6.99 a piece. So yeah, I got that. Moving along. So y'all want to get some books on Amazon? Go get these. These are some nice books right here. That's why I got all 3 of them, because it's a series of books of these. So y'all ever need something to read? Get these books right here, and y'all won't be disappointed. She need to make a movie for real, because it be going deep and go hard. And it's crazy because the characters in there is so crazy. So go get these books. Okay, enough of the books. Next, I have this suitcase. It just came. I need help. Donovan! He could have took it out. I'm gonna have to sit y'all down. I'm gonna sit y'all down. Oops. Sorry for that. Oh, I fell down again. Okay, stay. So I'm just opening this so y'all can see the suitcase. Like I said, this came. It's supposed to be a 2-piece, but I only see one. Unless they didn't bring it. It's supposed to be a bag to go with it. This is the suitcase. If y'all can see, the suitcase was like 30 something. It's supposed to be like A 2-piece. See, I hate ordering stuff and they don't never have it right. Oh, they put it in here. Here's the other one. This is a little travel bag, you know. I'm gonna show y'all. I fell down again. Sorry for the video, y'all. But this is how this look. This is, they put it inside. I was like, I thought I was gonna have to call them. But it's a travel bag. You can carry it. And it was like $37. And then this is the inside of the suitcase. It's a nice little suitcase. You know, the front of it. Yeah, I'm waiting for my swimsuit. Swimsuit ain't come yet. So I just ordered a suitcase because I'm going out of town. So, yeah, nice little suitcase. That's the bag. That's the bag. And this the books. So I got the books. Yep, this is my Amazon, you know, thing I got from Amazon. Yeah. So y'all never need something to read, get these books. It's falling now. Get these books, y'all. Then it fell down again. So yeah, get those books. And I like the suitcase or whatever. It fell down again. And I like the suitcase, the books. I'm going to be reading it today. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.